Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I'm gonna share with you the recipe of a Moroccan bowl. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. We'll start with making some couscous. Now couscous is a crushed drum wheat semolina and is very nutritious. So boil some water and add some salt to it. Now add half a cup of couscous to the boiling water. Give it a stir so the salt is mixed in well. Cover it up and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Using a colander, drain the couscous well and let it sit and cool down for a few minutes. Once it's cooled down, in a bowl, take the couscous, add some pomegranate seeds and some roughly chopped parsley to it and give it a good stir. Next, add some salt, black pepper, squeeze the juice of half a lemon, and lastly add some chickpeas sprinkled with paprika and give the whole thing a very good mix. Our couscous is done, so let's move on to the next step, which is char grilled zucchini and eggplant chips. For this, slice half a zucchini, and one small eggplant. Place them in a tray or a plate and rub some olive oil on both the sides. Sprinkle some salt and some paprika on both sides of these chips. Now line a pan with some olive oil and place the chips on the pan. And let it grill for a few minutes. They should look something like this once done. Next, let's saute some cherry tomatoes. For that, I'm going to chop a big clove of garlic. You can use garlic as per your taste. Next, I have taken about 10 to 12 cherry tomatoes and cut them in half.
In the
same pan that was used to grill the zucchini and eggplant chips, add some more olive oil, then add garlic and saute for a minute. Once the garlic loses its pungent smell, add the cherry tomatoes to the pan and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Sprinkle some salt and saute for another minute or so. For the hummus, take a blender and add chickpeas to it. Next, add some salt, some roasted cumin powder or jeera powder, a couple of cloves of garlic. I have roasted them beforehand, but you can use raw garlic. Add a little water and then blend it all together. Keep adding water as required while you're blending to get a paste-like consistency of the hummus. Once it reaches your desired consistency, open the blender and squeeze in half a lemon. Next, drizzle some olive oil. And give it a good mix. And then transfer it to another bowl. Top it off with some more olive oil and then sprinkle some red paprika over it. And your hummus is ready. Now is the time to assemble all of the things. Now you can use a bowl for it, but since this is going in my husband's lunchbox, I'm going to use this container. Start off with the couscous as it is the main ingredient of this dish. Next, let's place the zucchini and eggplant chips. Now add in a generous amount of hummus here. Next are the sauteed cherry tomatoes. And lastly, add some black olives. Garnish it with some parsley, and that's it. Our Moroccan bowl is ready. This bowl is not just yummy in taste, but is also very nutritious and healthy. That is all for today, guys. If you still haven't, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.